Hi friends, my name is Ashley and I have taught hundreds of families how to use baby sign language to communicate with their little ones. So let's learn some fun Christmas and winter holiday signs such as Santa or Elf, like their little ears. How about Rudolph? So you show the red light at the end of his nose. You can sign Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. There's reindeer. I find around this time of year, it's very magical. It's a magical time of year. Usually here where I live, there's lots of snow. So we will often make snowmen while we wait. A lot of waiting around Christmas. Okay, so Christmas is the letter C, and then you're gonna rotate it towards you. Very pretty. Christmas. And other very exciting and important holidays around the winter is Hanukkah. So this is, we show the menorah. There's 8 candles. So we show the 8 there. And then Kwanzaa. So we start with our fingers, 1 fingers together, and then we come out to the 3s. Kwanzaa. Very good. Also, we could leave out some cookies, some carrots, and some milk for Santa and his reindeer. I am currently wearing an ugly Christmas sweater. You put your sweater on. Oftentimes at the top of our Christmas tree, you might see an angel, the wings, or a star at the top. And after you've gone out to find your Christmas tree, or often just when it's cold and winter are the same, perfect. Often when you're cold, you like to come inside and have hot chocolate. So hot is you throw it away, hot, and then chocolate is you'll make a scene, kind of like stir it up, okay? Hot chocolate, my favorite. Although I generally love to put in some coffee as well. And then often we talk about Santa coming with gifts for all the kids, and he comes down the chimney. So fire, you show the flames. Okay, so we had wait and both of them came together, moving together, and then fire, you're kind of showing like the different flames. Okay, so fire, and then for chimney, you would sign fire, and then you kind of show like the tall sort of chimney shape, okay? So chimney, yoink, fire, and then up, all right? So, and then let's see, what else do we do? Ooh, Santa comes in on a sleigh. So those are the little runners under the sleigh. And celebrate. Very good. I'm just checking my list to make sure that I got them all. How could I forget? How about songs? Singing Christmas songs is one of my ultimate favorite things to do. I will do it no matter what time of year it is, all right? So, and then I think that is it that I had on my list. Happy. So we can use that for Merry Christmas. You can also say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So new is almost like a scoop there, and then year, like the, you know, the sun, year. Okay? Yeah, and I guess for New Year's Eve, E-V-E, you might have a party. So if there's any signs that I maybe missed, because there's a lot of signs to talk about with winter holidays, I'd love to hear them below, and I'd love to do more videos just like this one. So put those comments down below, and I'll take those comments and build a whole new video around them. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of any new videos that I post. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Magic list. Rudolph Or you can sign Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Christmas tree. First you sign Christmas, then you sign tree. Tradition. So you imagine passing something on, like a tradition. Tradition. Fun. Christmas tree. First you sign Christmas, then you sign tree. Tree. Kwanzaa. You start with both one fingers up together and then they come out to the three. Kwanzaa. Hanukkah. Christmas. Reindeer. You're welcome. Star. Lights, like on a Christmas tree. Lights. Excited. The two middle fingers both brush up one after another around your chest. Excited. Gift. So first your hands are up and then they come down. So, gift. Chimney. First you sign fire and then you show the big chimney. Chimney. Fire. Party. Two P's and they go back and forth like, woo, you're partying. Laugh. Red. Merry Christmas. First you sign happy and then you sign Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy. Candy cane. First you sign candy, then you show the shape of the cane. Sleigh. Angel. Holidays. Celebrate. Thank you. Ugly Christmas sweater. Songs. Family. Snowman. Snow and then man. Snowman. Snow.